Hello, welcome to another crochet lesson. Today, lesson 11 is working in the round. So let's get started. So we have our crochet hook. We're going to make a slip knot. Boop, on it goes. So I'm just going to do a basic circle here. So first thing I do is chain 4. And I'm going to slip stitch into the last stitch here, the last chain. So in I go. All right, and I've made this little circle here. So I'm just going to do a single crochet one because that's just the quickest and easiest to show you. So for most patterns, it'll say single crochet 6 into a ring. So we'll just chain 1 and we'll work 6 right into this circle here. 1, 2, 3, whoops, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 stitches here. And I'm going to slip stitch into the first one. So how you find the first one is you can count backwards. So you don't count the loop that's currently on your hook. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's this stitch right here is the first stitch, first single crochet that I made into the circle. So I'm going to put my hook in there and I'm going to slip stitch through it. So I've just finished the first round there. So we have a nice little donut. So for most patterns to do things like amigurumi or flat circles like coasters or things like that, the first round you're going to do is work 2 stitches into each stitch. So I'll do that. So we'll chain 1 because it's a single crochet. So we'll just chain 1. And we're going to go into the same stitch here. And we'll single crochet 2 right into this same stitch here. So there we go. So there's 2 in there. And we're just going to do 2 around. So we'll have 12 total. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now to finish this round, we'll slip stitch into the very first stitch of this row, which is this one right here. So we'll stick the hook in, yarn over, slip stitch through. There we go. There's our second round. So we're just gonna keep continuing around and around. For making a flat circle, you would increase the number of stitches between your increases by 1 each time. So the first round we did single crochet in every single stitch. So for the next round, we'll do single crochet times 2, so an increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, all the way around. So then for the next one you would do 2 single crochets, so make an increase, and then single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase. So then for the next round you would do increase, single crochet, increase. So you just add 1 between the increases each time you go around, and that should give you a nice flat circle to work with. After about 10 or so rows, it might start to look kind of hexagonal because you'll be doing your increases in the same point each time. If you want to adjust that, you could just do a single crochet in the first stitch and then increase and then continue the pattern like normal around. So you kind of spread it out that way. But for most patterns, it's just going to have you just keep increasing at a consistent stitch count all the way around. And that's how you work in the round. See you again soon for another lesson.